Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with us. In the last episode, we talked about professional behavior and teamwork, how to be respectful, reliable, and kind at work. Today, we're going one step further. We'll talk about communication at work, starting from your very first day in a new company.
Oh, that's great. Because the first day at a new job is always stressful. You want to sound confident, but not too formal.
Exactly. And communication is the key. The way you introduce yourself sets the tone for how people see you. Imagine it's your first day. You walk into the office, meet your new team, and someone says, "Hi, you must be new here." What do you say?
Hmm, maybe. Yes, I'm new. My name is Maya.
Good start, but let's make it a bit more professional and natural. You could say, "Hi, yes, I just joined the IT department. My name is Maya. I'll be working as a system analyst." Short, polite, and clear.
Oh, that sounds really natural. It tells them who I am, what I do, and where I work.
Exactly. In English-speaking offices, that's the perfect amount of information. Not too much, not too little.
Okay, and what about you, Steve? How would you introduce yourself?
I'd say, "Hi, I'm Steve. I just started in the marketing department. I'm the new project coordinator." Then I'd probably add something friendly like, "It's great to meet you," or "I'm really excited to join the team."
So, adding a little personal touch makes it sound friendly but still professional.
Exactly. You want to sound approachable, not like a robot. Now, after introductions, people will often ask, "So what do you do here?" That's when you can describe your job role clearly. For example, "I'm responsible for system maintenance. I handle client support. I work closely with the security team. My main task is to monitor network performance."
Oh, I like that. It's short and clear.
Yes, and you can also add why you like your job. For example, "I enjoy solving technical problems," or "I love helping users." That shows passion without bragging.
So, it's okay to talk about what you enjoy as long as you stay professional.
Exactly. It helps people connect with you.
Sometimes on my first day, people ask questions like, "How's your first week going?" Or, "Do you like the team so far?" What should I say?
Good question. You can reply with something short and positive like, "It's going great, thanks. Everyone's been really friendly," or "I'm still getting used to the new system, but I'm enjoying it." It's friendly, confident, and positive.
So I shouldn't say things like, "I'm lost," or "I have no idea what I'm doing."
Ha ha, maybe not on the first day. You can keep it light and optimistic. People appreciate positive energy at work. Let's also talk about tone. Professional communication is not about using complicated words. It's about being polite, calm, and respectful. Let's compare. If you say, "Hey, give me that file," It sounds too direct. But if you say, "Could you please send me that file?" It sounds polite and professional.
Oh, I see. The difference is just a few words, but it changes everything.
Exactly. Words like please, thank you, I appreciate it, or could you make a huge difference. They show that you respect your coworkers.
What if someone talks too fast or uses words I don't know? How can I ask politely?
Good question. Instead of saying, "What?" or "I don't understand," you can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?" Or, "I'm not sure I understood. Could you explain it a bit more?" That's polite and professional.
That sounds so much better. And it helps me avoid sounding rude.
Exactly. Tone is everything. Let's try a short scene.
Okay.
You're at your new desk. A coworker named Daniel comes over. Daniel: "Hi there. You must be new."
Yes, I'm Maya. I just joined the IT department as a system analyst. It's nice to meet you.
Daniel: "Welcome to the team, Maya. I'm Daniel from support. If you need anything, just let me know."
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Perfect. That's natural and friendly. You introduced yourself clearly and responded politely.
Okay. But what if I want to start a conversation with someone new?
Good question. You can start with simple, friendly sentences like, "How long have you been working here?" Or, "How do you like working in this department?" Or even, "I'm still learning the ropes. Any tips for a newcomer?" That last one is great because it shows curiosity and openness.
Oh, I love that one. I'm still learning the ropes. It sounds so natural.
Yes, it means you're still getting used to your new job. It's a very common expression in the office. Let's talk quickly about body language. When you meet people, smile, make eye contact, and shake hands if it's appropriate. In many English-speaking workplaces, confidence and friendliness are seen as professional.
So even if I'm nervous, I should smile and speak clearly.
Exactly. People remember your attitude more than your accent.
That's comforting.
All right. Time for a mini practice. I'll be your new manager and you introduce yourself.
Okay.
"Hi, welcome aboard."
Hi, thank you. I'm Maya. I just joined the IT department as a system analyst. I'm excited to be part of the team.
Perfect. Clear, polite, confident. That's exactly how to do it.
Thanks, Steve. I feel ready for my next first day.
Ha ha ha. Good.
So, today we learned how to introduce ourselves, describe our roles, and communicate politely on the first days at work.
Exactly. Being professional doesn't mean being formal or cold. It means being respectful, positive, and clear.
And I love the idea that words like please and thank you are actually powerful tools.
Yes, Politeness is power. It builds trust and makes teamwork easier.
What's next?
Next time, we'll learn how to communicate professionally in emails and meetings. How to sound polite, clear, and confident, even when things get stressful.
Perfect. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. And remember, smile, stay calm, and keep it professional.